A-T-L-I-I-T-G-I-R-L. You know I am that girl. Bitch, don't kiss it. It go from A-T-L.
Hey y'all, it's Jack Johnson. We're finally back with another video. So I'm excited to say that I'm now a licensed master cosmetologist. I'm currently taking mobile clients in the Atlanta, Stone Mountain, and Decatur area in Georgia. I'm specializing in starter locks, lock maintenance, color, and weaves. So in today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I usually start my client's lock journey using the two-strand twist method. For those who don't know, this method is the most common, and each lock is started with a braid at the root, and it's two-strand twisted to the ends. So my client has cut sides, as you can see right here, and back, so he decided on medium-sized locks. Alright, so for my partings, I usually use my fingers for the medium-sized locks. So I use about 2.5 fingers to create my box after I part horizontally, creating my first row. So that's what you see me doing right now, just parting horizontally, making sure that's straight. So I can go ahead and make the parts to cultivate the locks. Okay, so for my people that don't know anything about retwisting or starting locks, a two-strand twist period. So with this, you would have to braid about 1/4 of the way down from the root, and then from there you twist on. So you can kind of see better in this clip. So I'm waiting for myself. I'm a perfectionist, so I was going back and fixing the parts. So yeah, I'm separating that lock, making it its own lock. And now you see me going in. I'm about to start braiding. Just making sure it's even on both sides. And make sure that you're applying gel on all 4 sides of each individual lock. I cannot stress that enough. Don't use too much. But here I go, braiding about 1/4 of the way down. So I'm still braiding here. And now I'm going through with the two-strand twist. I'm coming out the ends just to make sure, it's a smooth, polished look. Yep, and we're just finishing out that twist, and we're just gonna do the same thing each time for every lock. Alright, so my client is falling asleep a little bit, so I just wanted y'all to see the parts though. Like, look at those clean parts. So you can achieve clean parting with your fingers and even parting, just in case y'all didn't know. So now I'm just parting his hair down the middle, and I'm starting in the front, and I'm just gonna repeat those same steps. Alright, so now I'm just finishing up the last few. And after that, once I'm done, I'll apply the Lotta Body mousse and put him under the dryer with the styling wrap just so his locks lay down, and that's gonna be it. So if you're interested in starting your lock journey, you have questions, and want to become a beginner loctician, I have an ebook explaining different textures, starting methods, styles, and even the history of locks, along with corresponding YouTube videos that'll help you along. So if you're in the metro Atlanta area, Decatur, Stone Mountain, give me a call. I'm a traveling stylist, and I'd love to have you in my chair. Yes, I do bring my own chair. So you can book me via Style Seat, or you can go to my acuity scheduling. Right, so that's the mousse right there. And I'm just putting him under the wrap, and here is the finished look. I can't wait to see y'all next time. Stay tuned for our lock maintenance video. Happy locking, you guys.